Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in the beginner method. So we're going to scramble it up, and just saying we're going to do the easiest method we can do. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to make the daisy. So we need to have these 4 pieces around the yellow center. So we're going to be looking around. We actually already have 2 pieces here, so we are sorted with that. No corners. So let's have a look. There's one here. So we have to look underneath and see if there's any space. We've got 2 spaces. So we can take this piece and move it to the side. Now what you want to do is, if you can see this piece, you want to move it up twice, like this. Now we're going to go up. Then we have this piece. And then we're going to move it. So what we do is that if you don't get this, just try your best. So we have these 3 pieces here. We need 1 more piece here. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the last piece, which is right here. We're going to do up, up. There we are. So we got the first bit here. Now the next bit is we're going to make the white cross. So we've got this piece here, we need to put these all around. So we're basically turning, so this is the daisy and we're trying to pull off all these petals that they've got. So we have to look and see if any of these, the centers, are matching to the colours. For example, we need the red cross piece to be connected with the red. So if we move this, let's have a look. We found it. So now what you want to do is that you want to carefully turn this down twice. And now what you want to do is keep looking any more. We got one here. So we want to carefully turn only this piece. Like that. Now let's find another one. Let's do the orange. Got this piece connected. Now we're going to do this again. If you don't want to do it that way, you can just do it this way. Now we're going to be turning this way again. Now down twice. And there we go. We've got the cross here. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the first layer. So we're going to be building it like this. So we have to look for the corner pieces and look for where it is. For example, if we take this out like this, what you want to do is you want to find which area is this paired with. So we can see it is orange and blue. So we have to find the colours where it matches that goes into the middle. So we have green, orange, that doesn't match. Red, green doesn't match. Blue, red doesn't match. We found it here. So what we want to do is we want to carefully take this, and then we are going to be doing this move. So we go up, to the side, down, across. Up, down, to the side, across. Up, down, to the side, across. Up, down, to the side, across. Up, to the side, down, across. And then we make this piece. So now we need to do the rest of it. Funny enough, we already started with this piece, so that's good. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to need to build this piece. So we can see it's green and orange. So let's just take this pet out. We're going up, down, right, up. So now we've got this piece out of this column. So we need to find where this goes. So it's green and orange. So let's turn around. We found it. So now what I want to do is we need to move it to the side. And now we're going to be doing the same moves that we did before. Up, side, down, cross. Up, to the side, down, cross. Up, down, to the side, cross. Up, down, to the side, cross. Up, down, to the side, cross. And when you get it done, that's perfect. Now we're going to be moving to the side carefully. So it's blue and red. We found this piece, 2 of these. So you want to go So you want to insert this with an easy move. This is the move I'm going to teach you. So you're going to move it to that. You're going to move it to the side, and then you're going to move this up. You're going to move it to the side again, back where it was, and then put it down. There we are. We got the first layer perfectly. Now we're going to moving on to the second layer. So how we're going to do this is that we're going to be learning this one algorithm, and it's called the sexy move. So how it works is that we are going to move this to the side. So we have to find the matching color. So there's red and green. So what you want to do is you want to move this to the side, and then you want to do the move. You do up, down, to the side, across. So now what we're going to do is we're not going to keep doing this like this. We're going to actually move to the side and hold this bit on your left hand. You're going to go up, to the side, and then down. And then what you want to do is you want to have a look for more pairs. Oh, we found one right here. So now we're going to be doing the opposite of what move that was. So you want to move this to the side. You want to move this up, to the side, down, across. And now we're going to do the same thing that we did before with the other move. Move this to the side. And you're going to go up, to the side, down. Now we built two pieces. Now we need to do these two. So let's see, is there any? There's one here. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go up, down, to the side, across. And then we're going to go to the side again, up, down, to the side. And then what we want to do is that we're going to move this piece twice. Just make sure that you know that when it is blue, so if you see this piece and it's on and it matches to this side, that means you want to move it to that side. So if this, for example, was here, that means you have to move it there. But we're not doing that. We're going to be moving it here. So you want to go up, down, to the side, across, and then you want to do this again, up, down, across. Perfect. Now we've got the entire second layer. If you can get this, great job. Now what we want to do is make the yellow cross. So what we have to do is we want to have a look and see. So if you still don't follow this algorithm, guys, I'm just showing something. Just wait. So we have this line. So if it's a dot, that's perfectly fine. So what you want to do is you want to have two like this. So you want to move both of these layers. So it's like this. And you want to do up, down, side, to across, like how we did with the second layer. Move it back up. And then if you have this cross piece like this, that means you only have to do it one more time. So you move it like that. That move. Back. And now what we got is we got this move. So what you want to do now is you want to move to the side. And now we've got to do this so we have got these already done for us. So now what we need to do is we need to solve these corners. So how we do that is we want to go, so try to remember this algorithm. So we're going to go up to the side, and then we're going to go down to the side again, go up again, go 2 times back, and that. So now we've got this area, we need to figure out where we're going to go. So I think we're going to go this area. So just remember slowly. You're going to go up, you're going to go to the side, then down, and we're not, just remember something, don't go this way. You're only going that way. And then you're going to go that way. Oh wait, no, guys, don't do that. You're going to go that way. I'm going to go up, to the side, back, and then that. So now we've got this move. So the only way you know if you'll solve it with this method is that if you have to make sure is this. So it's like a fish, you see? So what we want to do is that when it's this piece here, you want to go do that algorithm. So you're going to up, to the side, down, across. And then we want to go back up 2 times again. And then there we go. We've done the first side, we've done the 2 layers, and now we've done the top. So now here's the question, how do we do the last layer? So the first thing we want to do is we want to make headlights like this. So let's match these 2 to the colour. So let's look for red, and then blue, and then, oh, we found it here. So we want to move this to the side, and then we are going to go up here and build the step. So how we're going to do this is we are going to do this, and then what we're basically doing is we're going to go down, this one again, we're going to go 2 to the side, and then we're going to go up, down, this, 2 to the side, down, that. If it doesn't work like this, don't worry, I can do it again for you guys. So we're going to go down, cross, down again, 2 to the side. We're going to go up, move this to the side a bit, move this to the side, this across, and then put it like that. So if you just try this, so let's do it once more. We're going to go this way, this way, this way, this, slowly, back there, and there. Now we are on the final step of learning the Rubik's Cube. And this step, I will show you. So there's different types of ways you can do this. So if you have this case where this is close to this, that means you're super duper close to this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing this algorithm. So we're going to be doing 2 down. We're going to move this to the side, to the left. We're going to be moving this up. We're going to be using this to the left. We're going to move this down. Then move this to the right. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to do this. Wait, so we're going to do this move down. Then we're going to move this one across, and then move this one down, move this to the side, and then that, voila, we solved it. But I'm just going to go over this again. So we're going to do 2 to the side. Let me just quickly do this, guys. So if you had this case, don't worry, you just have to do the same algorithm twice, but I'll show you, I'll guide you through. So you're going to go this 2 times, this to the side, up to the side left, then we're going to move this downwards, then we're going to move this to the right, then we're going to move this down again, we're going to move this to the right, and we're going to move this one carefully down, and then move this to the side, this one, and then we're going to be doing that same thing again. So we're going to be doing up, that, we're going to be going to the side, we're going to go up, to the side, down, back across, down, across, down, across, down. Okay guys, that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. That's the way I learnt it when I first solved it. So that's it for today. Bye!